Oh, damn it. I forgot a mask. I guess we're going back home. What is up, guys? Elijah Porter here. Welcome back to the channel, and you are joining me on just a beautiful Saturday morning here in South Florida. I am heading to Supercar Saturday, which is a car show that happens every second Saturday of the month at the shops at Pembroke Gardens in Pembroke Pines, Florida. I put all the links or all the information for the show in the description box below, but I'm running a little bit behind. The show technically starts at 9, but due to the forgetting the mask incident that you saw earlier, I had to run back home. But luckily this place is not that far from my house, so I don't have that long of a ride. But yeah, this, in my opinion, the best car show that I've ever been to. Usually there's a couple hundred cars there, everything from exotics to some American muscle, some classic cars as well. It's kind of expanded. The show used to be held at the Lamborghini dealership in Broward, but since they moved it, that's kind of opened up a little bit more to more cars, which is a good thing. The atmosphere of this new place that they do it is a little bit better. Stick around, enjoy the video, and I will check in with you guys when we get to the show. Thank you.
Very nice, dude.
Thanks. It's a lot of fun, that's for sure.
Just sold my Harley, man. Stop riding. That's what I want.
Yeah.
That's beautiful. Comfortable?
Yeah, it's super comfortable. And yeah, the seat, 800. Yeah, it's awesome.
Very nice. Be careful, man.
Thanks, I appreciate it. I love getting to talk to people that, like, you know, recognize the bike. I talk about that in every video, that people always, like, you know, a lot of times I stop at a light, people are always talking to me about it. And you know, that's one of the reasons I love this bike. So much fun to get to share with people. Here we go. Oh, I like that Audi wagon right there. That's pretty cool. Alright, so they do kind of organize it. So like what we're riding through right here, this is all like the American stuff, which is cool. All the Corvettes and Challengers and Camaros, all that stuff. You're going across? Go ahead.
Thank you.
No problem. I'm actually kind of surprised at how many people are already here. Because usually, like, the event is supposed to run from 9 to 12. And I usually leave at like 11:30ish. And plenty of people are still coming in to the show. And like, I'm pretty sure they're out here till like 1 or 2 o'clock. But I've never stayed that late. I actually have a friend who has a Corvette and just about the same spec as that orange one right there. I'm starting to see the new Corvettes around a lot more often, which kind of makes me sad a little bit, because it used to be kind of like an occasion to see one, but like I would see them less than like seeing a Ferrari or something around. Now I see them a lot more often, but it's cool. Still a really cool car. I still would love to own one. That's the funny thing. Like, I find myself being like, I don't really like some of these cars, and then, but like, I would drive any of them home. Like, at the end of the day. Hey, let's go. Yeah. I love this thing. We're just gonna park it right here. Also, I love the Elante. This is an underrated car, but designed by Pininfarina, which is pretty sweet. They design, if you're not familiar, they design a lot of Ferraris, and that's pretty sweet. They actually have a Ferrari steering wheel in there. That's hilarious. Alright, so in case you guys are new to my channel, this is my 2019 Ducati Scrambler Desert Sled. It's my favorite bike in the whole world. I have plenty of content on it on the channel, so you can check it out. I guess I'm going to trust people not to steal my helmet. I took my GoPro and stuff off, so we're just going to be kind of trusting of people today, I guess. We got another Ducati here, an 899 Panigale. Pretty sweet bike. Alright, so I kind of made it here to like the main part of the show. Like I said, a lot of stuff is still getting here, but I'm gonna just kind of walk around a little bit and figure out what I want to film while stuff is still getting here, and then I will put in some of the cars that I really want you guys to see later on in the video. This right here is definitely my favorite color for the Corvette. This blue color. It's such a great color. I'm not really a huge like Corvette guy, but of course I love the old ones. Like everybody loves the classic Vet. There's like a little row of Land Rovers here, so I'll show you guys all of those. The new two-door Defender, which is really sweet. I haven't seen one of these. I've been seeing more of the four doors, but I haven't seen a two-door yet. It's pretty cool. Nothing says "look at me" like driving around in a gold Lamborghini.
Maybe we can find a way to merge them.
Got a couple new Ford GTs here. I like this Gulf Racing color. This Gulf Racing color scheme is very nice. You guys have an older Ford GT and my favorite color spec, the white with the blue stripes. Looking very nice. I'm not a huge fan of the slingshots, but at least this one's like really unique. They've done a lot to it. It looks pretty interesting, let's say, in my opinion. But if it's your thing, you know, that's pretty cool. The Miami blue is definitely my favorite color for any Porsche. Love the Miami blue. Also love orange, but this Miami blue is a 718 Spider. It's a really nice spec. I like that. This pair of SF90s. So sweet. I definitely like the red with the white stripes. Red leather interior. Man, this thing is so sweet. My like favorite spec for Ferrari, probably the gray over the red or burgundy interior. Love this spec. I love this like the clean white too. Clean white looks so nice too. In case I haven't made it clear, I pretty much love all the cars here. I always like every car I look at, I'm like, wow, that's really nice. That sweet Honda Odyssey, good lord, that is nice. Just totally overshadowing the purple Lamborghini behind it. I feel like the colors probably aren't coming through as good on this video as I like, but the Taycan in the sky blue looks really nice. I think they left their door open, passenger door open, but I like the sky blue a lot. I feel like I saw a lot of these cars at Nostra and Treffen, but this roof is just so awesome. This might be the car that I would actually drive home from here. I always, when I go to these car shows, I think about the one car I would drive home. like right now they're kind of at the bottom of their value curve, and I'm not in the position to buy one, obviously, but for the price, pick one up between like 70 and 100,000. Definitely a really cool car. This one's not the gated manual that I would want, but still really awesome. I love this, just like clean yellow 911. Yeah, I'm always a fan of just like the clean, sleek look on cars. There's usually like a new, I don't know if it's like a 991 or a 992 here with the Martini like racing livery on it. It's not here today, or it's not here yet at least. It's one of my favorite cars here. I think I've shown it before on the channel, but yeah, it's like probably my favorite livery on the Porsche. But it's not here today for me to show you guys, which is kind of sad. But I'm just gonna keep looking around. I think there's a Ferrari Roma over here. Let's go check it out. So many people are here looking at this Roma. Got Ricky Bobby over here. What's up? I like that flat back. It'll be so hard to keep the flat black clean. I like that with the white rims. That really stands out. That's sweet. Such a crazy wrap on this Lambo. That's insane. It looks really cool though. I love the Targa top. I think I'd almost rather have the Targa than a convertible. That's really sweet. Alright guys, so I've been out here for about an hour and a half. It's getting kind of hot. I think I'm going to stop in the Starbucks and grab a coffee, but I'm trying to do a better job like actually vlogging for you guys. I don't want to like talk too loud because I don't want people to like stare at me so funny, but I'm trying to do a better job. I'm sorry if the audio is kind of quiet with the mask and I don't have my microphone on and stuff. It might make it a little quiet and there's a lot going on, but I'm trying to do better. Well, I like walked over to the Starbucks and the line's kind of long, so I'm probably going to forgo that. I'm just going to go check on my bike real quick, make sure my helmet's still there, and then I come back to filming some more cars. Here you go for you Hellcat fans out there. I like the dark blue on that. I'm not a big Hellcat fan, but I do like the dark blue. It's like a really, really deep blue. I don't even know if it's coming off on camera or not, but pretty sweet. There's another Hellcat Charger. We got this M4 in the green. I actually looked at buying a Ford Focus RS that was like this color. I like that green like that. Some more BMWs. We got an M8 right here. Some i8s, another M4, another Corvette. Usually it's like very organized to like where the cars are. Like they have a section for Ferraris, a section for Porsches, a section for Lambos, for McLarens, etc., etc. But today it's kind of spread out. I don't know if they just like, you know, a lot of people are coming late, so they just kind of stick stuff wherever. But it's not as organized as usual. But I mean, who really cares? Whatever. You walk around and see a variety, which is cool. I really haven't got any shots of any of the R8s here, so here's two of them. It's like a 997 turbo right there. Here we go, guys. Check this out, a Koennigsegg CCX. That is a special car to see for sure. Wow. spend a lot of time like filming random cars and stuff, so I want to walk around by myself and just enjoy it for a little bit, and then I'll jump on the bike to do the outro for this video. So I hope you enjoy seeing these cars. Like I said, I'm gonna walk around a little bit, then we'll jump on the bike and do the outro. What's up? Well guys, that was the event that is Supercar Saturday. I hope you guys enjoyed checking out all the cars that were there. I know I certainly do. I tried to be a little better about the actual vlogging instead of just, you know, taking videos of the cars, so hopefully you guys enjoyed that as well. There's so much stuff there, so it's impossible for me to get to everything, but you know, I tried my best. Hopefully I got something that everybody was kind of interested in. Such a variety of cars there, and you just never know what you're going to see on any given Saturday. So if you do live locally here in South Florida, or you know, in the surrounding area, every second Saturday of the month they do it. They have a Facebook group. You can go and look for the event so you can get all the details. I'll put the details in the description box below as well. If you did enjoy today's video, please consider liking the video, hitting the like button, and also if you wouldn't mind subscribing to the channel. That way you can see more content. Motorcycle and car content is what I do mostly on the channel, as well as like daily life vlogs, stuff like that. But anyway guys, I appreciate you all checking out the channel, and as always, ride safe out there, and I will see you guys in the next one.